Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change measurement system on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, scroll down again, then find the Language and Region, then tap. Then after that, in this part, in the language and region, find the measurement system, then click. Then in the measurement system, if you want to change it from metric to US, just tap until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it from US to UK, just tap again until there's also a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it back to metric, just tap again until there's a check mark on the side. And that's it, we have successfully changed measurement system on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!